Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to see a private account on Instagram. But before starting that, just hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. And so, yeah, let's start. Head over to your Instagram account. Make sure you have logged in into your desired Instagram account, and when you're there, just head over to your profile. And then all you need to do is go for searching some accounts you want, or like head over to a private account, like just search one. Just let me do this one, or Swan Daily, or any other account that you want to follow. So just search for it, and if you can't find anyone, then just search for someone like in your area. Like, let's go to this one. As you can see, this account is currently private, and if you want to if you want to just see this private account, or if you want to just look over this account, you can just do like this. But if you want to know what they have posted, or their follower count, or their following count, then you must give them a follow, and if you get lucky, they might just accept your request, and then you can just see their photos and videos, and make sure to follow them back also, otherwise they won't be able to see yours. And yeah, this is how you can just see a private account on Instagram. Otherwise, if this private account is yours, make sure, if you have, like, there can be some problems, like you have just forgot your own password and your account is private one. So you just have to make sure, go to forgot password option, and you will found a Instagram help desk, and they will just send you a verification message, and there will be a OTP or a verification code. All you need to do is just verify that code, and then your private account will be able to accessed by you. And yeah, this is how you can see a private account on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and keep an eye on our channel for more tips and tricks. We'll see you in the next one.